Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you step by step how you can add a timeline to your documents on Microsoft Word really quickly. So let us get started right away. Head over to Microsoft Word and access the document where you'd like to place your timeline in. So what you want to do after that, guys, is place the cursor and left click where you'd like to locate or replace or add your timeline to. So let me go, for example, here. As you can see, I already added this example timeline here. So let me show you how to model and customize a timeline like this. All you will need to do, guys, is left click here, and after that switch from the home to the insert tab here in the top left, and here where it says illustrations, simply select the smart art feature, and from the smart art feature here on the left panel select process, and after that simply select your timeline type, any one of these. So let me go for simple and standard basic process type. Select it with your left mouse, click on OK here to confirm. That is going to add your timeline to your document. Now simply start entering or typing text to your cells. You may use, for example, that panel here on the left and navigate through your items or entries, or simply left click on the given box or cell here and type in, for example, like here to the left, day 1, and after that select the second entry or cell, day 2, day 3, and so on and so forth. You may, of course, also customize your cells, for example, by rotating them, by changing their size and positioning, and so on and so forth. Now, if you'd like to add another cell or item or entry to your timeline, simply right-click on one of these arrows here and select or hover mouse over Add Shape and select Add Shape After or before, depending on your preferred position. So let me go with after, and that is going to add another item or entry here. So again, simply add or fill it with text like that on day 4 and so on and so forth. And last but not least, you may also head over to the Smart Art Design feature here at the top to that tab and simply customize your entire smart art, which in this case here is a timeline, for example, by applying custom colors just like that, or navigate or move the positions of these items, and so on and so forth. Add bullet points, use demotions like that inside of these cells, and so on and so forth. Use various styles here or templates, layouts. So guys, as you can see, a lot to play around with here. That's how you do it. That's how you add a timeline to your Word document. I hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.